Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, part 2 of this, making a silicone jig, a silicone mold. And if you notice, I put a laser on there, or a level, so I could get and ironically, it's not 100% level. I was really impressed with this stuff. I mixed it up and put it in there and left maybe a little bit of greasy residue. And like I said, I taped up the handle on the backside. I couldn't really get the handle off, but that's pretty cool because, the thing fits in there so snug. You actually have to pull it out. But once you set it back in there, it's going to be back exactly in there. And I'm probably going to have to make a part 2 or part 3 on why I did this right here and set up so you'll be able to use it for years and years. The putty I bought, I didn't do any research. I got the idea from a friend of mine, which I want to put a link to his video, that I met last year at the show. And he does a lot of videos and pretty cool video site. For $22.45, free shipping, I could probably make 4 molds out of what I got. It comes in I think they're like 1 pound little jars, or maybe half ounce, half ounce or half pound jars. The amount I used on mine, so it's a 1-to-1 ratio. It's step by step. It's pretty cool what you could do with it. I don't think, none of the pictures are showing what I did with it. But anyway, you just mix it up. One's white, one's blue. You knead it. I actually put down some wax paper and flattened it out, and then folded it and flattened it out and folded. You want a solid blue. And then I let it sit there for 20 minutes. I was thoroughly impressed. It's in there so tight. It's not going to move ever. And, I kind of leveled it this way by sight. I actually did level it this way. But the reason I put it into the box and not a mold is because I want to use it in the future, not just today. And I'm going to explain that in part 2, how you're going to do this right here and how you're going to write on this area. Every time you turn on your laser, it'll work. Because a year from now, your laser might be a little bit out of alignment, but when you do this right here, it'll be perfectly in a line. Anyway, so stay tuned for part 3. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching. And there will be links to the video to the Amazon, but look around. I just picked one that was a little cheap. The friend of mine actually did it with a dental silicone that probably cures faster, but I just went with cheap. And I made my box shallow. I probably didn't have to use as much silicone as I did, but it was my first time. And once again, you'll see in part 3 why I put it in a box and what we're going to do. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.